Make beautiful paper beads. You must have seen in my YouTube shorts that these were the beads I was talking about. I had shown in my short videos, and I will show you how to make these. So these are two types of beads, but the papers which I have used are all handmade except for one, and those are my Fox handmade papers. I have already shown how to make those papers in so many videos. I will leave the link in the description box, so please go and check it. All right, so for these beads you need handmade paper. You can make your own handmade paper. This is decoupage handmade paper, and this is made with natural dye, that is rose paste. This is turmeric handmade paper, and this is butterfly pea handmade paper. Like this, I have so many handmade papers which I have already made, and then I have been using it. But today I will show you how to make with a simple decoupage paper. You can take any creative paper you want, but remember that the paper should be little thick, like a drawing paper sheet. Okay, so now the supplies we need is handmade paper. Okay, apart from the paper, you will be needing some of these decorations. This I use for jewelry making. You can get it in a craft shop. These are plastic beads, and some of these are called key eyelets. This we use it for the paper bags. Then I am using my scoreboard. If you don't have a scoreboard, just a scale and pencil would be fine. Then you need two brush or any two round sticks, which I actually brush is always available at home, so that is why I suggested this. One should be thin and one should be thick. Don't worry about the points because we are not going to brush with it. We just needed to roll the beads. Okay, apart from this, you also need a Fevicol and you need some Mod Podge. If you don't have Mod Podge, then you can buy some varnish for that. So let's begin. Before that, I just want to share one thing. This scoreboard, I have bought it from Amazon, and I will be making the video of this scoreboard very soon, and I will share what all things can be done with this. Till then, you can see how it is helping me for making the beads. Okay, so let's begin. I'm using this paper. This is my handmade paper, and I need a very small strip for the beads, so there is no measurement. I don't use any measurements. Only thing is, if you want to make beads of same size, then you need the measurement. So this is a strip which I have cut with this scoreboard, and it has been very handy. Otherwise, taking the scissor in your hand and then cutting it's very painful. Now I'll turn the back side, and from here I will just take randomly a point that will be 1 2 and 1 2 3 and fourth, in the fourth line. from the thicker side. Reason? Because if you roll it from the thin side, the thin portion will go in and the thicker portion will show the size of the bead, and it will come straight. It won't come in a cylindrical form, not even cylinder. I think it will come same on both the sides, but you need one side thin and one side thick for the bead. Okay, so let's begin with this. To give a shine, what I do is इसको मैं एक वायर में ऐसे बांध लेती हूँ. Otherwise you can tie it in a thread, paper thread or any cloth thread like this, and you can hang it somewhere where it is easier for you to give it a brush. So this I have hung on my wire because I have got lots of wires, so I thought that would be the best option. Or after that, you just take a small bowl, and in that bowl just take little Fevicol, what do you call it, Mod Podge. Okay, if you don't have Mod Podge, you take the varnish, thoda sa liya, and just brush it, just dab it on it. वो कुछ नहीं होगा, वो ऐसे आपको वाइट वाइट दिख रहा है, it will become transparent afterwards. तो अगर आपका ये Mod Podge थोड़ा thick है तो then you can add some water to it. Mod Podge, why I prefer, because Mod Podge helps in sticking also. That is why. Otherwise you can use varnish. Varnish will also help, वो भी help करेगा stick होने में, मगर मेरे पास था नहीं. No, I have, but that is a huge bottle. Who's going to sit with that for this tiny little dries? You can use all your beads. See, such beautiful ones. Now in the next video, as I promised, I'm going to show you how to use these beads, what all things you can make out of it, because I have seen so many people making certain things, but how to use it, क्या बनाना है, क्या करना है, that nobody shows. So we will be learning what all things can be made with these beads. Okay, so hope you have liked my video. If yes, then please give a thumbs up and do subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Okay, and share it with your friends, your family, and everyone. Till then, bye bye.